From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Kentaro, Berger Paints, Nourish and Kurlon Mattress.
Ladies and gentlemen, are some parties really out of issues to be raising Jinnah in the UP campaign? It's almost as if the chief architect of partition has become the star campaigner. It's deliberate and aimed at appeasement. Make no mistake, let's debate.
Five months to the Uttar Pradesh elections, Jinnah politics is the flavor of this season.
देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री जिन्ना को बना दिया गया होता तो भारत का बंटवारा ही नहीं होता। जिन्ना को देश का प्रधानमंत्री ही लोग बना दिए होते। इस बात को आडवाणी जी के विचार को पढ़िए, अटल जी के विचार को पढ़िए, जो समदेश के शुभचिंतक हैं उनके विचार को पढ़िए। वो क्यों उनकी तारीफ करते थे, वो लोग उनकी तारीफ क्यों करते थे?
This was no stray remark. It was deliberate. Hear it again.
देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री जिन्ना को बना दिया गया होता तो भारत का बंटवारा ही नहीं होता।
10 days ago, Akhilesh Yadav said this.
सरदार पटेल जी, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिन्ना एक ही संस्था में पढ़ करके बैरिस्टर बन करके आए थे। उन्होंने आजादी दिलाई।
The mission is clear: to appease this anti-India Jinnah support base. And the elements that said this in Shaheen Bagh. But those hailing Jinnah need a reality check. Jinnah was the man who pushed the two-nation theory. He was willing to have people killed for it. Slogans of Ladke Lenge Pakistan echoed as over 10,000 were killed in August 1946 after Jinnah's call for direct action.
The fact of the matter is, Jinnah was the one who demanded for a nation for Muslims. He also demanded for a separate state for Sikhs and also a Dravidistan in the south. But now, is it for votes? Is it for minority appeasement? Is the real question.
The BJP is calling out the appeasement politics.
चुनाव आते ही तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति शुरू हो जाती और कुछ लोग जिन्ना का नाम जपना शुरू कर देते हैं। मैं तो यही कहूंगा, यूपी की जनता जवाब देगी।
But despite the insult to Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi, the Congress conspicuously silent. But the people of India are clear. The divider-in-chief of India cannot and will not be treated as an icon. It's India against Jinnah.
On the debate this evening, first, I just want to make it clear that if anyone tries to avoid the issue of appeasement in this debate, I will not let them. Because if there is appeasement, we need to know who people are trying to appease. Are people trying to appease some Jinnah lovers? Who are the people who are trying to appease Jinnah lovers? It's not a laughing matter. Who are the Jinnah lovers? How can you carry a passport in this country, Professor Kapil Kumar, and be a Jinnah lover? Now people will say that I'm a right-winger, I'm intolerant, but I'll say it. If you are a Jinnah lover, please go to Pakistan. Please do. Or at least say it openly that I'm a Jinnah lover. Don't hide. Don't pretend to be a proud Indian and a Jinnah lover. Okay? So I have made my position absolutely clear. I have never anyway claimed to be objective, and on this debate I am not objective at all. Jinnah is being made a hero. We are being told by...
First of all, I came up with that term Jinnah lover. I just want to tell you that. This is trademark infringement. That's my term. I came up with it on your show the last time I was on 10 days ago.
Okay.
I'm not going to take you to court like some other people, but I'll let you use it, but you got to give me credit.
No, okay, so I'll tell you one thing. Don't take me to court, because those who take me to court, right, don't end up very well. And those who thought they will take me to court are currently running away from the country. And another person who came to my house, right, and assaulted me and said, I'll now teach you what happens in court, where I went without slippers, is in jail for a murder and extortion. You are an educated young man, Abhishek, a barrister to be precise. Why do you want to get into that kind of nasty company? Okay, since you are very eager to start the debate,
I'm very happy.
Since you are very eager to start the debate,
I'm Team Arnab.
Okay, thank you. We are all Team India. We are all Team India. Now, since you are starting the debate, and that's the, Abhishek, I get you into the debate with Subuhi. I welcome Shazia, Dr. Ajay Alok, Professor Kumar, Subuhi, Ratnakar Tripathi, Huzaifa Amir Rashadi, Secretary of the AMU Students Union, and, how can I forget, Waris Pathan of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihad ul-Muslimin. It's a great panel. I don't know when we'll finish tonight. Maybe midnight.
Forget, like...
Shall I start? Shall I start?
Arnab, what have the Indian Muslims got to do with Jinnah?
Exactly.
Why did you take out the topic also of Jinnah? We have forgotten the two, we have just left the two-nation theory of Jinnah in the year 1947, and we are living in our country, Bharat, by birth and by choice, and debating on your channel every day.
Okay,
so what have the Indian Muslims got to do with Jinnah?
Did I say Indian Muslim? Did I say Indian Muslim? Subui, did I say Indian Muslim? No, 1 minute. Did I say Indian Muslim? No, I said Jinnah lover. Did I say Indian Muslim? He said. Did I say? I never said. What is, take that back. I never said, you said. No, I didn't say you said Indian Muslim. I didn't say Indian Muslim, Hindu, Parsi, Sikh, nothing. Now, Subui is on the debate. Subui, you committed a faux pas right at the start of the debate. Subui is responding to you. Subui, fast. Subui. I never said.
Yes. Arnab, first of all, let me clarify to them that I am also an Indian Muslim. But just by playing a victim card, they try to create a narrative building against Bharat, and they just want to glorify their Jinnah love under the garb of being very rational and patriotic. First of all, let me tell you, yes, had Jinnah been made Prime Minister of India, then partition would not have happened. But I will tell you what would have happened. Please do not interrupt. Had Jinnah been
Thank you. Don't heckle, no background music. Thank you, no heckling. Let Subui speak. Thank you very much. Waris, that's not polite. You're a polite person whenever you're not on television. Thank you, Subui. Please continue.
Yes. Arnab, had Jinnah been Prime Minister of India, today the topic of debate would have been different.
Correct.
We would have been debating
Abhishek.
How many temples are left, how many women are safe, how many kids and youth are still rational and their decision and judgment power is still there. Our ideas would not have been Brigadier Usman and
No, let her complete, Abhishek.
Our ideas would have been Masood Azhar. Our ideas would have been Masood Azhar and Hafiz Saeed. Because this is exactly what is happening in an Islamic state. कौन से तीर गाड़ लिए जिन्ना ने पाकिस्तान में भाई साहब? Now Indian Muslims
Huzaifa Amir Rashidi on the other side.
We need to completely boycott these political parties. All these Jinnah lovers should be politically boycotted by Indian Muslims. किस तरह से ये brain wash करते हैं अर्नब? पाकिस्तान रातों रात नहीं बनता है. ऐसे ही एक ये माहौल बनाते हैं देश के अंदर. This is not just appeasement politics. This is beyond appeasement politics. This is a dangerous situation which is happening, that you are glorifying the chief architect of partition, someone who was behind mass rape, murder, slaughters of Indians. You are glorifying him with audacity. You have that audacity to say it on national TV and then play the victim card of being an Indian Muslim. No, you are not an Indian Muslim. Indian Muslim needs to respect India, needs to respect the culture of India, needs to respect the people of India. First learn to do that.
थोड़ा सा पानी पी लीजिए अब आप. Take a water of glass. मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे कि मुझे नहीं समझ में आता कि आज 70 साल हो गए इस हिंदुस्तान को आज़ाद हुए, और क्या अगर इस टॉपिक पे हम लोग डिबेट करेंगे, इस पे डिस्कशन करेंगे, तो क्या हम लोग रिवर्ट बैक कर लेंगे उसमें? आज हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमानों को जिन्ना से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, हमने कभी इस पे कुछ नहीं बोला। सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि जब जब इलेक्शन आता है तब तक जिन्ना का बोतल जिन से बाहर आता है। अब तक बीजेपी लेके आती थी, अब जो हमारे सो कॉल्ड सेकुलर दल हैं, चाहे वो समाजवादी पार्टी हो या और अदर दल हो, वो भी अब जिन्ना को जिनको बोतल से बाहर लेकर के आ रहे हैं सिर्फ पोलराइजेशन कराने के लिए। सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि अखिलेश यादव जो सेकुलरिज्म के बहुत बड़े आलमबरदार हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के, वो लखनऊ में जाएंगे तिवारी जी की मौत पर, वो कुशीनगर जाएंगे, वो गोरखपुर जाएंगे पंडित जी की मौत पर, वो झांसी जाएंगे यादव जी की मौत पर। अभी कल उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर अल्ताफ नाम के युवक को कासगंज की पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार किया और पुलिस की कस्टडी में उसकी डेथ हो गई। क्या अखिलेश यादव एक बार उसके यहाँ जाएंगे?
बहुत ही अफसोस की बात है।
प्रदेश के अंदर
एक मिनट
के दौरान मार दिए गए। क्या उस पे अखिलेश यादव ने कोई स्टेटमेंट दिया?
मिस्टर रशीदी, वन क्वेश्चन टू यू प्लीज। एक सवाल करूं कि नहीं करूं? सवाल करूं? शुड आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन? एक सवाल करूं? अनुमति है? ठीक है, अभी अनुमति मिल गई। सवाल यह है, देखिए रशीदी जी, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी में जरूर इतिहास की एक डिपार्टमेंट होगी। आप कल वहां पे जाइए, सुनिए मेरी बात सुनिए, आप कल वहां पे जाइए और बोलिए कि मैं कल अर्नब गोस्वामी के प्रोग्राम पे गया था और मैंने लाइव टीवी में कहा कि इतिहास को दफना दो, बेरी हिस्ट्री, ताकि मैं जिन्ना वाली सब्जेक्ट को अवॉइड कर सकूं। मगर अर्नब गोस्वामी ने आपको कहा कि इतिहास मत दफनाओ, इतिहास दफनाने नहीं देंगे, we will not let you bury history. One minute, Mr. Rashidi, one minute, you are, no, 1 minute, Mr. Rashidi, Mr. Rashidi, 1 minute, Mr. Rashidi, 1 minute, from class 7 to now, there's only one thing I have done well in life, which is debate with facts. And my question to you is this: did Jinnah give the call? Did Jinnah give the call for direct action day? Did that mark the beginning of several acts of violence spread over a week, which came to be known as the week of the long knives? Did Jinnah provoke a massacre or not? Do you condemn it? Do you think Jinnah was a villain or not? Was Jinnah a villain? Was Jinnah a villain? Simple question. Answer me. Do you idolize him? Was he a villain? Was he a villain? Mr. Rashidi, 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 was he a villain? My God, you won't call him a villain. Was he a villain? Was he a villain? Was he a villain? Was Jinnah a villain? Was Jinnah a villain? I say Jinnah was a villain. You say now. Was Jinnah a villain? Was Jinnah a villain? Shazia is not saying.
Exactly.
He's trying to avoid it.
I want to say.
चलिए मैंने बोल दिया जिन्ना विलन था।
नहीं, चलिए बोलिए नहीं। Was Jinnah villain? No, चलिए before it. Don't avoid it.
गोडसे को विलन मानते हैं? मेरी अब मुझे
मैं गोडसे को मर्डरर, टेररिस्ट, विलन मानता हूं। आप बोलिए जिन्ना विलन थे कि नहीं? चुप क्यों हो गए? अरे भाई, I don't know. जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे. This is the issue. This is the issue. I don't believe in ambiguity when it comes to Jinnah. Shazia, he's not being able to debate. He's not being able to debate with me. Shazia,
जिन्ना बिल्कुल विलन है, पाकिस्तान हमारा दुश्मन है, मगर मुल्क के वज़ीर आज़म
I want to point this out to you. Okay, नहीं भाई साहब, गोल ना घुमाइए. No, आप गोल ना घुमाइए. नहीं, आप देखिए, आप इमरती बनाने की कोशिश. भाई साहब आप इमरती ना बनाइए. नहीं, हम लोग खा लेंगे, जाकर खाना होगा हमको. सुनिए भाई साहब. नहीं भाई साहब, एक मिनट. भाई मेरे भाई मुझे बोलने दो. मेरे भाई मेरे बहुत बोल दिया तुमने. पर आपसे देखिए, मैं
मस्जिदों को तोड़ा जा रहा है.
अरे क्यों घूम रहे हो? फिर क्यों क्या मुसलमानों को क्या फिर लगा रखा है? फिर विक्टिम कार्ड कितने साल खेलोगे? विक्टिम कार्ड पूरा पार्टीशन हो गया, एक अलग मुल्क बन गया, उनको एहसास कमजोरी का शिकार है. मतलब कहाँ रह रहे हो तुम? कब तक रहोगे? For how long will you live in this silly cliche? In this cloud of yours?
I mean,
उसके
get
बाद
up.
भी कोई पोस्ट नहीं मिली।
What is wrong with you? No, I want to come in without you heckling me. Okay, you speak. I will not speak. First of all, I want to declare on your channel, Arnab, or through Republic, I want to declare something here.
Yeah.
My name is Shazia Ilmi. I am a Muslim. Yes, I am an Indian citizen and I am not part of any minority because I am not less than anyone else. So if people who live have an inferiority complex and who want to be lesser than any other citizen, despite the fact that equal rights have been given to them by the Constitution, is their problem. You want to live in this victim syndrome. No, let me finish. No, I'm not done. I have lots to say. No, give me one more minute.
No, Waris, let her finish. Don't haggle, Shazia. It can't be 4 versus 1. Shazia should be allowed to finish her. What is she saying? No, Waris and Shazia, that's not fair, Waris.
No, I want to say this.
She says it, it's her view. You may not agree with it. Let her.
Waris, 20 seconds.
Waris, let her, no? Let her complete the Waris. Okay, I give her uninterrupted 30 seconds.
20 seconds.
I give her uninterrupted 30 seconds.
You, all of you, I mean, do you know how idiotic this sounds? How exceedingly naive or silly or just diabolical it all is that a pork-eating Jinnah becomes Qaid-e-Azam and gives you inferiority complex for the rest of your lives, and then there is a complete Islamization and politicization of Islam. And here in India, when you have all the rights, best rights and equal citizenship, you have a problem. I don't know what is your problem. Parsis don't have a problem. Sikhs don't have a problem. I mean, I'm very happy to be an Indian citizen. I'm a victim. Why should you cry all the time? Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. हम मुसलमानों के साथ ही हो रहा है. क्या मुसलमानों के साथ हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है मुसलमानों के साथ? क्या हो रहा है? I'm also an Indian Muslim. I'm also an Indian Muslim.
Why did he
and
went
I'm
to
an
Pakistan? Why Advani went to the grave of Jinnah? Did Waris Bhai or my father went to the grave of Jinnah? We never went there. We never went there.
I'm very glad I'm not in
Nawaz
Syria.
Sharif's daughter.
I'm very glad
Prime
I'm not
Minister
in
Modi went for
Afghanistan.
Nawaz Sharif's wedding.
Shazia,
You must take the name of Arnab
I'm very happy I'm not in Saudi Arabia. I'm very happy I'm not in Yemen. I'm so very happy that I'm not in parts of Africa. I'm so happy that I'm in India. Because in India I practice not just Islam, but I enjoy the syncretic culture of my civilization.
No, people don't want to address the issue.
I'm sorry, you will never get it. You will not have a right to talk like this in Saudi Arabia.
Enough of your crap.
You will be.
Please, language.
Who has given you the right? Are you about Constitution? Are you about the Constitution?
Thank you, India.
Constitution has given me the right to make my point.
Ma tujhe salam.
Expression.
India, thank you, India. Ma tujhe salam. Because you give me the right to be who I am. That's it's a matter to be proud of. I'm a proud Indian.
Got it?
Hum Mussalman. Why are you doing this? Always critic.
No, I am also proud Indian. My love for the country is more intense than you, because I don't show. You are meant to show. You are meant to show every day.
I want to ask Waris Pathan and Huzaifa, would you want your children to go to Pakistan right now?
I don't need a certificate from you.
Or to Yemen,
I don't want a
or to
certificate.
Saudi
Who went to
Arabia,
Pakistan?
जाना है आपको,
Modi went
जाना
to
नहीं चाहेंगे
Pakistan.
आप लोग.
Who went to Nawaz
हिम्मत
Sharif's
नहीं
daughter
है.
wedding?
लेकिन इंडिया में रहकर इंडिया की बुराई करनी है.
I never went
You
there.
know how well
My
you're
father
treated.
did not go to
You know
Advani's
very
grave.
well, so do
My
not
father
lie.
did not go to
There
Jinnah's
is no
grave.
discrimination whatsoever.
Advani went to
Stop
Jinnah's
whipping
grave.
up the same
And
old
Advani
narrative.
Huzaifa is on the
It is
debate.
hackneyed,
Why
it
is
is
that
cliche, it is hollow, it is shrill.
Advani went to Jinnah's grave?
हिंदुस्तान में रहना पसंद किया हम पाकिस्तान नहीं गए आप श्यामा प्रसाद पे क्यों नहीं बोलते श्यामा प्रसाद जिसको आप लोग मानते हैं जो आपके सबसे बड़े आइडेंटिटी मैंने उन्होंने सरकार बनाई जिन्ना के साथ मुस्लिम लीग के साथ
No, we are not victims. Sorry.
लाल कृष्ण अडवाणी पे कुछ बोलेंगे आप
Muslims. Oh, we are so persecuted by the majority community. Stop it. Just stop it now.
Very secular.
We are not a persecuted minority at all. Do you know
Huzaifa, 1 minute. Huzaifa, 1 minute. 1 minute. 2-3 panelists have not spoken. I must include them. Huzaifa, 1 minute. Huzaifa, 1 minute. Huzaifa, I'll tell you something. नहीं Huzaifa, please. Huzaifa, please. Huzaifa, listen to me. Listen. अरे Huzaifa, listen to me. Huzaifa, listen to me. Huzaifa, listen to me. Huzaifa, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to
You
me.
want to create that
Arey Baba.
narrative, you want to perpetuate this other narrative.
Huzaifa.
My viewpoint now.
No, 1 minute. Just one point.
Yeah.
Huzaifa, listen to me.
Give me 30 seconds without any interruption.
Huzaifa, if you knew only a little bit of history, you would realize that what did Jinnah say? Jinnah said in 1940. You know what he said? You should take away that picture of Jinnah. By the way, is that picture of Jinnah still there at Aligarh Muslim University? Is that 1 minute, 30 seconds मिलने से पहले मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. Answer this question. Is that picture of Jinnah still there at Aligarh Muslim University? It should be taken off.
वाह. No.
Is it there?
Very simple question. I know I'm making light of it, but look at them. Look how idiotic they are. A bacon eating, a pork eating Muslim is Qaid-e-Azam for them. But a fellow Hindu who he lives with, shares the family of Bharat with, is a kafir for them.
आपका यहाँ पे इस्लामोफोबिया शाजिया, आपका इस्लामोफोबिया नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पे.
हाँ तो क्यों आप जिन्ना की बात कर रहे हैं? तो हाँ आप बताइए, शर्म नहीं आती है आपको? हम बड़े परसिक्यूटेड हैं, हमारे साथ ये हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ भाई साहब? क्या हो रहा है? क्या भेदभाव हो रहा है? क्या जुल्म सितम आप बर्दाश्त कर रहे हैं? इस कौम पर क्या जुल्म सितम हो रहा है? बताइए भाई साहब. पूरा एक मुल्क हो गया है, रोते पीटते आपका. पूरा पार्टीशन एक हो गया है. It's a bloody partition. You paid the price. 75th year. And you still, अरे आप अपना वॉल्यूम डाउन कीजिए. आप अपना वॉल्यूम डाउन कीजिए और डाउन रखिए. और डाउन रखिए जिंदगी भर के लिए.
कितना बोलेंगे?
अपने वॉल्यूम को डाउन रखिए जिंदगी भर के लिए, ताकि कोई आम मुसलमान जो है ना अपने को कम ना समझे. आप मुसलमानों को ये कॉम्प्लेक्स ना दीजिए भाई मेरे.
वफादारी साबित कर रही हैं.
किसी मुसलमान को जी नहीं, बीजेपी की बात नहीं है. मैं अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की तरफ वफादारी.
One second. A minute, please. Thank you. Shazia Nuzaifa. Since Huzaifa is not listening to me, Ratnakar Tripathi and Kapil Kumar and Ajay Alok have not even spoken. Ajay Alok first, and then I'll go into debate between Ratnakar Tripathi and Ajay Alok. Are you seeing this? It's almost as if I said something terrible. All I said was Jinnah is a villain. Do you agree that Jinnah is a villain? I can historically substantiate it. In 1940, Jinnah said that Hindus and Muslims can never evolve a common nationality. There was no one more communal than Jinnah. I don't want his picture on a university campus on my country's soil. This is a man who tried to create riots in the country. When I ask these questions, people get uncomfortable. All I asked Huzaifa, I don't know, Huzaifa, why you're jumping like this today? मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने बोला, is Jinnah a villain? Huh? He destroyed our united India. You're not willing to say this. You know what he said? Huzaifa, बताऊं आपको मैं क्या बोला? He said, we will either have a divided India or a destroyed India. He said, आप जिन्ना के खिलाफ कुछ सुनना क्यों नहीं चाहते भाई साहब? क्या आपको तकलीफ क्या होती है? हुज़ैफा, जिन्ना के खिलाफ कुछ कहते हैं तो आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है?
तकलीफ आपको होती है, आप मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं.
तो मैं कहता हूं ना आपको.
आप त्रिपुरा के मैसेकर की बात कर दीजिए. आपको 1947 का मैसेकर याद है? त्रिपुरा में मुसलमानों को मारा जा रहा है, मस्जिदों को जलाया जा रहा है, दुकानों को तोड़ा जा रहा है.
ये जिन्ना पे कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे.
एपिसोड है
ये जिन्ना पे कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
जिन्ना को हम लात मार दिया हम लोगों ने 1947 में. जिन्ना को आपके कहने पे विलन मान लेता हूँ, मगर समाजवादी पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. बताएं वो कि वो क्या अल्ताफ के घर जाएंगे? अखिलेश यादव, 20 से ज्यादा मुसलमान मार दिए गए सीए के नाम पे उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर. क्या उनके घर जाएंगे? सिर्फ यादव जी क्या जाएंगे? तिवारी जी क्या जाएंगे? गोरखपुर जाएंगे? झांसी जाएंगे? कासगंज में जाएंगे?
थोड़ा सुनेंगे?
हमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं जिन्ना के खिलाफ.
अच्छा थोड़ा सुन लीजिए. अब
सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि शाजिया इल्मी बहुत कूद के बोल रही थी.
ठीक नहीं, मैं
जिन्ना के बोल रही थी.
अरे मैं जिन्ना के खिलाफ नहीं बोल रहा.
अडवाणी पे कुछ.
अरे मैं जिन्ना के खिलाफ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ भाई. सुनिए तो सही. अरे मैं जिन्ना के खिलाफ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन आप सुनिएगा तब तो मैं कुछ बोलूंगा.
स्टेटमेंट की बात सुनिए.
एक तरफा बोलिएगा तो कहां से बोलूंगा?
आप
Anna, can you put his volume down because I won't be able to speak.
इंडियन बोल रहा हूँ कि महात्मा गांधी ने उस टाइम लेटर लिखा था पंडित.
एज एन इंडियन मैं भी कुछ बोलना चाहता हूं, अगर आप सुन लें तो जरा मेहरबानी होगी. 30 सेकंड दे दीजिए मुझे.
स्पीक इंग्लिश प्लीज. थैंक यू. आई प्रेफर इंग्लिश. थैंक यू.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहता हूं.
On this channel.
Yeah. I just want to say there were two brothers in arms. One was Jinnah, other was Nehru. Both had one common ambition. They both wanted to be the prime minister of the country. That led to partition. That led to creation of a Muslim state. And that led to a creation of a secular state. 1946, referendum was when Jinnah said that this election is going to be a referendum for a Muslim created Pakistan state. Let me tell you, Bihar, UP, Bengal, all provinces Muslims voted for Pakistan. But they chose, when the partition happened, they chose to stay with India. Now those Muslims, obviously they praise with Jinnah. I don't have problem with that. I don't have problem with them. I have problem with people like Akhilesh Yadav. I have problem with people like Nehru. I have problem with dissidents of Nehru. I have problem with people like Owaisi and all who still praises Jinnah as their hero.
Oh.
Because their ancestors had done the same
thing
by
I don't
voting
think so.
for creation
Did
of
Owaisi
Pakistan.
say that? One minute. Waris objects.
Waris
objects.
Objection.
Waris objects. Ajay and
No,
Waris.
Waris cannot object. Hyderabad province was and Junagadh. Two provinces were the last province to join India. Two provinces were the last province to join India. One was Hyderabad and one was Junagadh.
Jinnah was a villain.
One was Hyderabad and one was Junagadh. They were forcibly accessed to India by Patel sir.
Countries because of Jinnah.
Oh,
the love for Jinnah is for Advani.
You guys have been head-toeing to Jinnah. I don't have any problem with Jinnah because it does not belong to my country. But I have problem with guys like you. I have problem with guys like you.
You will not condemn that, Mr. Ajay.
Oh, Narendra Modi. Forget Narendra Modi. There is no question of getting Narendra Modi. Here we are talking like an Indian. Here we are talking like an Indian, and you guys residing in India do not talk like an Indian.
So
you guys don't talk like an Indian.
Of patriotism or Indianness from you.
You don't talk like an Indian.
I know how to
Why
talk
Hyderabad
like an Indian,
is a state like Junagadh? Hyderabad and Junagadh were the last to have come to access to India.
You said just now in the beginning
was
of your
Owaisi
debate.
father was not instrumental in that.
Just in the beginning of your debate, you said that you are not speaking against
Come on,
Jinnah.
I'm exposing
You
you.
made that statement.
I challenge you.
You made that statement in the beginning of the
challenge
debate.
you.
The love. I say Jinnah was a villain. I say Indian Muslims have nothing to do with Jinnah. I
Your
say
ancestors voted for Pakistan. You stayed back in India. Okay, you are welcome. But you won't be allowed to stay like an agent of Pakistan here.
Love for Pakistan is in India.
You guys stay like an agent of Pakistan.
Modi.
That is the problem.
Modi went to Nawaz
That is a
Sharif after
contention.
wedding.
And that is why you praise
Modi went
Jinnah.
to eat biryani. Modi went there with sarees in his
Modi went
hand.
to Nawaz Sharif as the Prime
My
Minister.
father did not go there. Advani went to
Nehru
Jinnah's
also went
grave.
to Pakistan.
Advani went to Jinnah's
went
grave.
to
Why?
Pakistan.
And he praised Jinnah. Will you condemn
You
that?
don't have any
Will
answer
you
for your own
condemn that? The
You
hypocrisy
don't have
of
any
Ajay
answer
Alok
for
is
your
very well
own
received
deeds.
by the entire nation.
You don't have any answer for your own deeds.
I now want to. You see, the question is, why is the particular context of tonight's debate is this, Professor Kapil Kumar and Ratnakar Tripathi, that Jinnah is suddenly emerging as a subject before the UP elections. May I please? And I don't think O.P. Rajbar's comment, Kapil Kumar, was accidental, because if you see the soundbite, he's asked the question, he stops for some time, and in a well thought out way he says, partition would not have happened if Jinnah had been made the first Prime Minister of India. It's a very well thought out statement. It is not an accidental statement. ये सोच समझ के उन्होंने कहा है. And what I want to know is, why would a politician before the UP elections want to say that in his view Jinnah should have been the Prime Minister of India? What is he hoping to achieve? Politicians, Kapil Kumar, don't say anything without a particular purpose. They want to achieve something. What is it that he wants to achieve by saying that?
Arnab, when the lust for power supersedes historical facts, such statements are expected. Because this fellow who has said this, that Jinnah would have been made the Prime Minister, he still thinks that the UP Muslims who had very strongly demanded Pakistan, by raising that, they can take the Muslim vote in their own hands. That is the game. The game is nothing else, you know. The other game is from other side. Now, I want to ask one question here, because if I start talking history, none of them will be able to answer one of the facts, let me tell you, which I'll say that. Who called Quaid-e-Azam? It was Gandhi who wrote to Jinnah first time as Quaid-e-Azam, calling him Quaid-e-Azam when Jinnah was at its lowest step. So let's forget that for a moment. I want to ask one question, and particularly people like Waris Pathan Saab and the other person who was there, that all these who play this Muslim victim card today in the country, I agree, that there is poverty among the Muslims. Muslims don't get jobs. If their girl gets an MSc degree, there is difficult to find a boy and all this. I totally agree with that. But my question is, that all these leaders who do politics in the name of Muslims, who tell the community that you are being victimized, you are being exploited, how come these leaders and their entire families and kunbas have amassed so much wealth? How much their children go and study abroad? Here they want the Muslims to go to the madrasas. How come they are so educated? How come they don't have any problem? This has become a card of these Muslim elite of that period, the upper strata of the Muslim society, that you use the communal card, use Muslim card, and keep these Muslims behind you. कि अगर तुम हमारी leadership नहीं होगे, you see what Azam Khan has done, what he has done to the Muslims.
No, but what has this got to do with Rajbar's comment on Jinnah? Ratnakar Tripathi, my question to Kapil Kumar was that as far as I know, here is a man called Jinnah. His direct action day call led to the Calcutta riots. 10,000 people died, 15,000 people were wounded in 72 hours, right? Why would anyone go and say that he should have been the Prime Minister of India? If he had been the Prime Minister of India, we would not have had partition. That's a well thought out political statement. It's not an accident. People like Huzaifa can come and say, why are you asking the question? I'm asking the question, Huzaifa, because I find it unacceptable that in my country, an Indian politician can be making a comment like that. So Ratnakar Tripathi, what is the political intent? And by the way, Ratnakar Tripathi, my question to you is, you're from the Congress party. Your Congress party is being told that your Congress party leader Nehru should not have been Prime Minister of India. Jinnah should have been Prime Minister of India. Not one word from the Congress, Shazia, today. Not one word of protest. Why? Why are you silent? Jinnah said Muslims, he did not want Muslims to live with Hindus, he wanted a division of India. Why are you silent? Why is your party silent?
Arnab,
He propagated the two-nation theory. Why is the Congress party silent?
I mean, if you were to...
No, let Ratnakar respond first.
Hypothetically, Arnab, if you were to speculate...
respond to me. Ratnakar Tripathi, respond to me.
No, I want to...
हाँ जिन्ना मुद्दा है मुद्दा इस अभी डिबेट का मुद्दा है आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी
नहीं हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है हम अगर मुसलमान
आप तो लेट मी स्पीक विदाउट इंटरप्शन
या विदाउट
फिर वही चिल्ला रहे हैं
मैं नहीं चिल्ला रहा आई एम नॉट चिल्लाइंग
विदाउट इंटरप्शन विदाउट बीइंग हैकल्ड नो आई नो इट आई एम टेलिंग ये जो जेंटलमैन है एएमयू से वो चिल्ला रहे हैं सी we are not going to answer any Tom, Dick and Harry like O.P. Rajbar. And saving your time, I say that Jinnah is a villain. And I agree with you that the person and the organization who support Jinnahwadi, who harbor them, who shelter them, should be driven out of India. So why don't you drive BJP out of India first? First you drive out BJP UP, because Swami Prasad Maurya, who on 5th May 2018 and 15th May 2018,
say more line on Swami Prasad Maurya.
He is the cabinet minister of Yogi Adityanath.
Same line on Swami Prasad Maurya.
Cabinet minister of Yogi Adityanath.
कोई Swami Prasad Maurya वाली line.
Why? He said Jinnah was great. Achha, what do you think about it? Yes, ask them to sack Swami Prasad Maurya. Why are you targeting anyone else, sir? Why to be selective? Why not go to Yogi Adityanath?
I am asking you, why is Rahul Gandhi not saying a word? Why is Rahul Gandhi not saying a word about what has been said here by Rajbar? Is he scared? You want to launch mass agitations on every subject, not a condemnation of the Jinnah comment? Why are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared? You did not, your Priyanka Vadra is campaigning in Uttar Pradesh, Robert Vadra is campaigning in Uttar Pradesh, not one word on the Jinnah incident. Why? No, why are you scared of taking a position on Jinnah? Why is your party scared of taking a position on Jinnah?
Well, let me answer first.
The divider-in-chief of the country.
Why are you pushing me?
No, why aren't you saying it?
Me,
why aren't you saying it? Why aren't you saying it?
We are not going...
Why aren't you saying it? Why aren't you saying it? Why aren't you saying it?
We are not going to
अरे भाई, Congress leader Manishankar Aiyar, while speaking in Pakistan, said, "हमारे क़ायद-ए-आज़म." अरे, he referred, Manishankar Aiyar in Pakistan goes and refers to Jinnah as क़ायद-ए-आज़म. I want to know your party's position on Jinnah.
अरे सर
कैदे आजम है मणिशंकर अय्यर के लिए।
अब मुझे
नहीं सर मत बोलिए, आप मुझे बोलिए। शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा invoked Jinnah to praise the Congress party.
Arnab, I want to say something.
Why are you not making a comment on Jinnah? Please tell me. No, I won't let you off the hook. आप क्यों नहीं बोल रहे? कपिल कुमार, are you seeing this? Ratnakar Tripathi also refuses to say a word on Jinnah. डरते हैं रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जिन्ना पे कुछ बोलने से।
कमेंट हमारे
No. Why aren't you saying?
कोई वैल्यू के नहीं है।
आप मुझे रेलेवेंस मत सिखाइए। आप मुझे बताइए, why is your party not making a comment on Rajbar's comment?
क्यों नहीं दिखाए भाई?
आपकी पार्टी क्यों नहीं कह रही है कुछ? राजभर ने जो कहा उस पर कमेंट क्यों नहीं कर रही है?
The ex-minister of Yogi Adityanath government.
आप
one person who comes out of
Kapil Kumar, you heard that? Kapil Kumar.
says ki Jinnah is great.
No.
One person who is already in the ministry, Swami Prasad Maurya, you are not asking them.
I'm asking you.
Ask them to sack Swami
Is the Congress for Jinnah? In April 2019, Shatrughan Sinha also invoked Jinnah. He invoked Jinnah. What did you do? He invoked Jinnah or not? Did Shatrughan Sinha invoke Jinnah or not?
Why should we
Did he invoke Jinnah? Well, why aren't you taking on the Jinnah lovers?
No, we are not invoking Jinnah. Jinn was always invoked by
Kapil Kumar avoiding the subject. He's the historian out here. You know, I think this is desperation by some people. Kapil Kumar.
Deputy Prime Minister S.D. Clark Shadwari.
Kapil Kumar and Abhishek.
Stop him, then I will only
Kapil Kumar.
You stop him, then only, yes.
You are not allowed to No, 1 sec.
You see, Arnab, I think I'll have to take another thing on history, because this Ratnakar Tripathi ji, the other day when I was saying that why Mountbatten was made the first Governor General, so he won't accept, he said Rajgopalachari was the first Governor General. All these things he brings in, so his historical knowledge I know is very well.
Ratnakar.
My question here is that a political party, please let me speak. Please let me speak. I have not interrupted anyone. I have not. First Governor General of India was Mountbatten. First Governor General of India was Mountbatten. अपनी हिस्ट्री ठीक करके आइए। AICC से मैंने कागज लिए, जब मैं उनसे पूछता हूँ कि AICC के कागज,
अरे यार अर्नब इसे समझा दो, AICC के सारे कागज, इसे चुप कराओ, मैं बताता हूँ। इस बेवकूफ को ये नहीं मालूम AICC के सारे कागज तीन मूर्ति लाइब्रेरी में रखे हुए हैं। इसे कोई समझाए AICC के सारे कागज।
आपने बोला AICC ने कागज गायब कर दिया। AICC ने गायब कर दिया।
चुप कराइए, अदरवाइज I won't debate with political jokers.
भाई आप प्रोफेसर हैं तो मैं फूल तो नहीं बोलूंगा, because I think you are born fool.
आप इन्हें चुप कराइए,
आप इन्हें
चुप कराइए, मैं इनके बीच में नहीं बोला, इन पे जवाब नहीं होता इसलिए ये इंटरप्ट करते हैं।
नहीं, आप गलत कमेंट करेंगे तो
अगर AICC papers are lying in the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library.
AICC के पेपर आपने ऑफिशियली नहीं मांगे,
बोल ले भाई तू।
भी कहा मुझसे, और आप दूसरे चैनल की डिबेट यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं।
अरे ऑफिशियली मांगे हैं, ऑफिशियली तुमने दे रखे। इस बेवकूफ को समझाओ रिसर्च क्या होता है, इसको बताओगे। AICC का ही नहीं, इनके चाचा के पेपर भी सारे तीन मूर्ति लाइब्रेरी में रखे हुए हैं। इस बेवकूफ को कोई समझाओ। मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स कैप्चर में वहां पे
भाई मेरे चाचा का
इसको मालूम भी है, इसने कभी रिसर्च देखी है।
दूसरा है कपिल कुमार, आप नेहरू को चाचा मानते हैं, मैं
तुम्हारे चाचा का नाम जी हाँ,
यही तो मैं बोलता हूँ ना।
हाँ, चाचा मानते हैं चाचा। जिस चाचा ने जिन्ना के साथ
मेरे चाचा का नाम आप जानते हैं
जी, आपके चाचा है वो हमारे
साहित्य लिखते हैं। आप कहते हैं कांग्रेस के साहित्य।
Okay, go back. I think Subui, I think the simple point I'm raising here, I got 1 minute on the debate. Subui, I think it's very important for everyone to take a position on this. I don't think there is a side swerving here. And what I'm seeing here is people swerve from this matter. I see Abhishek Sudhir chuckling away, smiling away in the background because he knows he's trying to play safe. If I ask him one direct question on Jinnah, I would have expected Akhilesh to come and clarify the position on Jinnah. Maybe Subui, instead of trying to, do you think Abhishek is just trying to avoid the subject out here? Because he thinks I can't contradict
now
my
speak,
leader.
come on, I've been quiet.
No, 1 second. Subbu,
I've been uncharacteristically
No,
quiet.
you're not.
You've got to give me a chance.
Yeah, you've been uncharacteristically quiet because you know that you can't take a position on a subject though you completely personally probably disagree with the kind of pro-Jinnah position of Akhilesh. I think you should go and tell Akhilesh to clarify the position out there. I mean, you cannot get away with it. It's the UP election. No, it's UP. Just because it's the UP election, you're going to support someone like Jinnah. I mean, I don't understand this. No, I don't understand this.
It's very simple.
No, why? Why not utter a word,
Yes,
Subui?
Arnab, I just need a minute.
Yeah, please.
Let me, Subui, you
No,
had your say, let me speak now,
Subui first. Subui first. The worst riots in the country happened after the direct action call. They're not going to take a position on it. They will praise him instead. They will put him alongside Mahatma Gandhi. Your ally Rajbhat deserves to be condemned publicly, Abhishek.
Arnab, we need to think about this.
Gather a spine and do it.
Yes.
Well, let me speak, na.
Arnab, I think now is the time that we need to think the psychology behind this. We need to think that how the dream of Islamic State was actualized.
Madam, there is no need to think of any psychology.
Congress in coalition with Muslim League made it happen. Yes, please do not interrupt. Please do not interrupt. Are you afraid of that? Are you afraid of that truth? Are you afraid of that truth? Arnab, please ask him to let me finish. Arnab, I am going to make a very important point here.
You are going to be routed in Purvanchal.
I am going to make a very important point here. Please do not interrupt.
I have a minute left.
Do not interrupt.
Awadh is the bastion of the SP. The Bharatiya Janata Party is history.
Mr. Abhishek, please let me finish. I'm not going to debate like this. Please do not heckle.
Okay, complete the point. Complete the point. Thank you very much. Complete the point. Subui, closing the debate after this.
Nonsense.
Yes.
Nobody cares about this Hindu-Muslim nonsense.
Arnab, political parties in coalition with Muslim leaders made Islamic State happen. This is exactly what is happening in UP now. Mr. Rajbhat is becoming friends with Asaduddin Owaisi, and they are trying to create the same equation in Uttar Pradesh. Because Uttar Pradesh is an important state for national security. We need to understand. Arnab made a very important point today कि इतिहास को दबने नहीं दिया जाएगा. Because history tends to repeat itself unless we learn from it.
And my subject is not being addressed tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Many of the panelists are trying to avoid the issue.